my...
I said let go of my purse! Let go! Go!
Hey,
Oh, I didn't know Spider-Man was...
was what? So young? So cute? Nice haircut? Full of riz. Oh, then what is it? You didn't know Spider-Man was what?
I was gonna say...
Back up!
Am I supposed to be scared of this thing?
I didn't even ask you for help! Get lost!
The kid thinks he's a superhero. What a joke.
You're struggling with the bag of chips? Look. Green Goblin hits another bank. And no Moose Wayne. Can you believe that? Where's he at? But look at that. Could you imagine having your picture in the paper? In the paper? That'd be a dream.
Look, I wouldn't be bothered by the bank robberies, honestly. I heard he only steals from, like, rich people. Peter? Peter!
Yeah, what's up?
You're never gonna get anywhere if you don't talk to her.
Yeah, I'll talk to her. When I'm ready. You don't want to rush these things.
Come on, man. The Halloween dance is tomorrow night. It's your perfect opportunity to ask Mary. Don't be scared.
Scared? Scared? Me? I'm not scared. I'm not scared of anything. It was a spider.
A spider.
Big one.
You see the irony, right?
I'm gonna go talk to her.
Godspeed.
Hey, Mary! No. Hey, Mary. That's too deep. Hey, Mary, I was...
You just spilt my protein shake.
Look, my bad, Butch. I feel bad.
Yeah, you should. You can't see where you walking, huh? You ain't looking forward when you walking forward.
Butch, check it out.
Oh, so you dressing up as Spider-Man for Halloween, huh? Because what are you, 8 years old?
I'm not dressing up as Spider-Man. I am Spider-Man.
What? You think you Spider-Man? Okay, all right. You Spider-Man, huh? Let's test out these Spidey senses. Dodge this.
Wait.
Butch, don't be a bully. Let's go.
Come on, dog. You know we just having some fun.
Not at Peter's expense. Let's go.
This ain't over.
Yeah, what he said.
You okay?
I didn't know Mary's dating Butch. This day just keeps getting worse. Come on.
I know.